is, Logan, I want to show you a trick. Put this one right on the side, and then put the other one. Avery, come here. Here's your baby. Okay, good job. Now take the, maybe not that one. Here. Put this right in this hole. Yeah, you know what you're doing. Nice, nice. How about you take this one? Can you connect these two? Connect them together. Whoopsie. You want help? Careful. Look, Avery. Put it on there. Here, you go do it. Go do it. Put it on there. Good job, Logan. And now, do you want to make a square? Are you making a square? Right here. Or you could do that one, but if you do it here, that will stand up and not fall in on you.